Hello, fellow painters, and welcome to the Fruits and More painting course. This is a 100% beginner-friendly course that's going to show you exactly how to use skills that we need to advance our painting, like blending and brushstroke technique and all the things, right? All the things. Also included in this course are a lot of hybrid, our favorite, hybrid painting classes in which we use both acrylic paint and acrylic painting technique, as well as watercolor and watercolor technique. So we're going to combine our skills and our knowledge of each of these types of paint to create each of these gorgeous, gorgeous fruit pictures. Another thing we're going to learn and work with in this fruits course is what we as painters like to call value. And value is, in essence, how light or dark an object is or how it appears on the page as we're painting it. And this goes hand in hand with blending technique because we want to blend certain areas to make them lighter and make them a little bit lighter in value, and other places where things are a little bit darker and darker in value. And the way we choose to blend those two areas together is what's going to help us create a realistic or hyper-realistic effect with our paints. So I hope you're ready to get started, because I'm totally ready to get started painting all these beautiful pictures. Let's go.